Australia, a land of striking contrasts. From the red dust of the outback, to the endless bush, to coastlines carved by time. Strong, rugged, enduring, just like its people. For more than 30 years, Wood-Mizer has been proud to be part of this story. Standing beside Australians who work the land, who build with their hands, and who shape timber into something lasting. Farmers, craftsmen, builders, dreamers. Our sawmills are built to take on the toughest Australian hardwoods. Ironbark, jarrah, spotted gum, timbers as resilient as the land itself. From family farms to thriving industries, Wood-Mizer has helped turn that strength into homes, into livelihoods, and into legacies. Because here, timber is more than wood. It's heritage, it's community, it's a future built with pride. Wood-Mizer, 30 years in Australia, proudly part of the people, the land, and the culture that make this country strong. Wood-Mizer, from forest to final form.